Looking for trusted laptop and desktop experts in Oshogbo? Welcome to Tomorrow Shall Tell Computer Tech, where your satisfaction is our priority. We offer professional laptop and desktop repairs, software and hardware installation, and system upgrades to boost your device performance. We sell quality laptops, desktops, and computer accessories, all with 1-year warranty on services and products. Visit us at Shop A75, Olugbeja Market, BCGA area, Olonkoro, Oshogbo, Osun State. Call or WhatsApp 090-535-61783 or 070-6623-2161. Tomorrow Shall Tell Computer Tech, your trusted tech partner.